Hold on. Hold on. Ready, go. Ready, go. Here. Come on, come on, come on. Good girl. Yeah, different bit.
Santa. Vanessa, look at all this presents that Santa left.
You got Mooses on. It's overruling Santa. Vanessa. Look what's in here.
Vanessa.
Mommy, there's pretty cool stuff there.
Vanessa.
Oh my goodness! Look at all those presents! Santa Claus is here!
Oh. Come and open.
Oh,
Yeah.
look! Who's this one for? Oh, this is Vanessa. Did you change? This is Vanessa. Oh, Vanessa, look! Here, open this one. Open this one. Vanessa, come here. Look at
She's
this.
opening one she already opened.
Now she's actually throwing it out of the way. Vanessa, look. Come here. Come here. Look. See. Vanessa, here. Vanessa. Oh, wait. She sees this one. Vanessa, look. Vanessa.
She opened that one yesterday.
Vanessa, look. Look. This is for you. This is for you. Look. Look. Vanessa. Oh, look at this, Vanessa. Vanessa, turn around. Look. Look. Look at this one. Come here. Look. Look. Vanessa.
Get to that one.
This isn't going as planned. Ow. Wow. I didn't see that one. Look at this. Look at this, V. Look. Vanessa. Look at. I'm Brody. Go, Brody. Look. Look. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Thank you. What the heck? Who is that? Oh. Who is that? You want me to help you? Come on, rip it off. Look what he does.
Oh, wow.
Look, there's Brody.
Happy.
I knew she loved that one. Go to dance.
We have more.
Come on, we got more. That's a good one. I like that. Ooh, look at that. It almost formed.
Just keep giving them to her, baby.
All right. Here's another one. This is kind of a Christmassy one. Ready? Here. Open that. Whoops, we'll do that way. Here, look. Vanessa. Vanessa, look. Look at this. This is just like Christmassy. Come here, look. Look, Vanessa, look down here. V, look at this. Vanessa. All right. The power of Moose A Moose.
What are you looking at? No, but there's stuff here. Come here, V. There's one on the floor. There, see that one? Shake it.
This one?
Yeah. What's that?
I have one of these in my hand.
What is that? Go see. Go open.
Let's go see.
Oh.
Get the camera too, dude.
Yeah. You can stop the video. Come on, let's open.
My little sweet pie, there's my little leaves. I didn't get the dogs anything this year. I figured I spent enough during the year.
Lucy's was a gift of life this year.
Yes.
Come on, V, let's open some of these. Look,
Take
what's
it,
this?
Lucy's checking out, see if there's any food gifts. It's like a dog bowl, huh, Lil?
All right.
That was 5 seconds of pure entertainment.